Okay, so this day happened really fast. This was just, I don't know what to do first. After finish hiking Jebel Saghro, we just jump right into car from the hotel. I just get a quick shower and I absolutely have no memory on my camera, so I'm trying to back up now. I have like 20% of battery, so I hope it's gonna work, at least 64 gigabytes. And now we are in the desert in a camp and we'll see what's gonna happen. We just take a camera ride here and we're gonna get some tagine on dinner, I think. After having a great fun with Berbers the other night, in the morning we set off to explore the vastness of the desert further away. So meanwhile, I'm just walking and shooting. Fuck. Exhausting to pursue these camels. After having a nice lunch in the middle of nothing, we hiked to the biggest of dunes and sandboard there. It was not as good as I expected. You really need to find a big dune to get it slick. But it's about fun, right? Bye bye, have a nice day! Hey, bye.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to
See
meet
you
you
again next time.
Thank you very much.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bonjour. So yesterday night we just arrived back to Imlil and today we are doing just a short hike up there. It's 2,750 meter peak. And tomorrow we decided not to go to Toubkal because it's a lot touristy and you have to pay a lot for a guide and also for the cottage. So we're probably gonna be heading somewhere there to some mountains or there, we still don't know, we have to decide and we'll see, it should be fun. There are no paths to that mountain, so it's gonna be fun, I think. I hope we're not gonna get lost.
Сюда.
And there on the top we had 4 hours of chill time till the sunset. And it was perfect to be there alone, just with the mountains and the wind blowing through. Okay, so I just got under the hard part here, the rocky part, to the top, and I decided to not to go up further because I tried a little bit here and the rock is it's a bit icy and it can slip on the shoe. Since I don't have the crampons, it can be dangerous. Just a little slip and it can be deadly. So we are currently at Souk in Agadir. It's our last stop, and we are just sneaking out through the crowd and just buying some stuff, some olives, and looking around, looking for something interesting.
Smell and GOPRO. That's its Morocco tea.
Is welcome here to Morocco, welcome, no problem, is the money, is no money, welcome. This is my place, sir. My name is Karim, nice to meet you, sir. You're welcome. This place is, we have many herbs, you know, and we have the perfume sandalwood, sir. That's one, the sandalwood is very famous. Sandalwood from the Morocco. You use it inside the wardrobes. It's me, sir. That's one. Hey, how are you?
I like you.
I like you too. Thank you so much. High five.
What a journey, right? I don't know. I just wanted to thank you to all of you for getting along through this free episode of Morocco. Really appreciate it. And if you like this video and all of them, just please subscribe and give a comment down below and let me know what you would like to see, what I did wrong, anything. And also I wanted to take this special time for give a big thank you to all the people in Morocco that helped me. You've been really helpful. I just can't enough. I can't thank you enough for what you've done to me. Just give me bread, water, give me advice on the trail, where to go. I would be lost without you. So big, huge thank you to all of you. And see you in the next video.